What's up, y'all? With it, baby?
Whoa, whoa.
Now today we got Scarred, Glock in hand, y'all. This is the first listen. What about y'all? First listen. So y'all know what we're gonna do. Not waste no time. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification button, follow us, social media, everything to it.
Let's do it.
Time to, click on it again. Okay.
The sample say, "Do you have a Glock in hand?"
Oh, my mama, that be hard.
That hard.
Glock in hand. They twins, goddamn.
Know where they from,
Need me a Glock in my motherfucking hand. She give me hair, no hands. Like, can get half my hoe. Plus that gets assholes. Like, fashion my receiver. Like, see some me just like Kirby. Like, server like I'm server. Like, do the dash in the Lambo.
Swervo like I'm
Swervo like, do the dash in the limo. So sad.
Nigga said, he said she give me head with no hands, with a Glock in his hand.
He ain't going.
Not going.
He ain't going for the setup.
Plus that gets assholes. Like, fasten my whole seatbelt. Like, see some me just like Kirby. Like, server like I'm server. Like, do the dash in the Lambo. Think I get in the switch. Some niggas just like a light switch. Like, me and my twin like left right Twix. You watch it also Twitch. Like,
Oh, so they twins.
Me and my twin like left right Twix.
I'm saying.
I knew it. Like, nigga can't be nothing but twins.
So like a light was like me and my twin like left right Twix. You watch it also Twitch. Like, bet this bus gonna make that twitch. Like on my hip like a muffin cop.
Yeah.
You shit like a racist cop. Just balloon, you get pop. You like a UAV. We finna slide in the SUV.
Let's go.
Got a new cosmet. We went in with the cartels. Like 555 got an AR-15. Grip on you, yeah, make no sound. Glock on sign said make no sound.
Yeah.
Pull up on you, we shoot you down.
Pull up on
You need to shoot you down.
More on the story, he's not playing no game with y'all niggas. I mean, mama. Whoever made him mad if he went in the studio, he mean it.
I got a new cosmet, went in with the cartels. Like 555 got an AR-15. Grip on you, yeah, make no sound. Glock on sign said make no sound. Pull up on you, we shoot you down. Who at the door? Like, what the fuck you do? Like, better station there if I drop the Glock and let some shells through the door. Officers doing their case, they're looking for me, but they don't know why I stay, cause I move my stay, cause I don't like to stay one place.
Damn, I ain't know what he said right there though.
He said he moved out of state because he don't like to stay in one place.
Oh, okay. Niggas can't catch him for the time.
Yeah.
I thought I
I
heard
move my stay, cause I don't like to stay one place.
What? I don't like to stay one. Huh? I don't like to stay one place. What? You don't like to stay one.
Do you have a Glock?
If I ever get a gun in my hand, just know I'll put that shit in my head like.
What?
Oh, hell no.
I don't know. I'm trying my head. I'm not trying my head of that one.
We ain't talking about that one, twin.
Maybe say that one.
Thought
I
you
don't know
killing
that.
the opposition, not you.
Yeah, that's what I thought we were talking about.
If I ever get a gun in my hand, just know I'll put that shit in my head.
Don't give him no gun either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and my two, we plan to check out. We got death without.
Wait!
We plan to check out.
Yo,
Nah, he
wait. We got our deal planned out.
Stop playing, man.
Stop playing. I can't even go back again.
No,
Street, look for us, walk around with a gun by holster. We're taking niggas down the poster. Let us a sound, then we dip. Let us a sound, then we dip like chips. We get picked up like a Uber. I'll be like so up that blink to his face. Beam on his face, he thought some pimple. Holes in his finger through the thumb.
he say beam on the face, he thought it was a pimple.
Now he thought it was a pimple. Imagine. Get the fuck.
Blink to his face, beam on his face, he thought some pimple. Holes in his finger through the thumb, the dimple. Nigga got shot for playboy.
Let's go.
Be in the middle, knock on switch, set up for shots and it go. Yeah, the drum goes.
Nigga said shot
When
who shot
Kusashi,
shit.
it go. Brrrr. I'm saying.
Then after he said the pimple shit, he said hoes in the face and he thought it was
Dimples. I'm saying.
Knock on switch, set up for shots and it go. Yeah, the drum goes sound like a drummer. And this blick goes still like a summer beat. My Glock on more. My little car with sucking ass black as that. Call me and just got be in the hood. My twin is the gas to my fun. That's why I keep dropping heat. My twin is like my personal cold water. Cause he help you rock my alert. Why you think he knows bar to bar? Cause go walk the bar, don't care if you drunk the shot, don't make pass out. We put a slide, we front crash out. I'm actually not cause I'm losing my money, we find one big out for the cash out.
Yeah.
All right.
No count on. He might have well, your brother might have well be a rapper too with you. Y'all could have both been in that bit. You feel me?
Like, you know what I'm
God,
saying?
y'all
Twin for brother. You know what I'm saying?
Cause go walk the bar, don't care if you drunk the shot, don't make pass out. We put a slide, we front crash out. I'm actually not cause I'm losing my money, we find one big out for the cash out.
We better go put a cash out. The nigga, it really sound like he freestyled somewhere.
Nah, he had to.
Yeah.
He more definitely freestyle.
He more definitely freestyle.
Oh, God.
It was cool for us, you know.
Uh-huh.
The part, beside the part where he talking about they playing out their devil stuff.
He kind of talking a little too fast, but I heard most of the stuff he said. Yeah, I heard most of the stuff you said though. No cap.
Yeah, but y'all let us know how y'all feel in the comments, tap in the description box as well. Like, comment, subscribe, hit post notification button. Right to the point, do.
Follow the link right down below.
And on that note,
bye.